So, you want to learn how to read the Coptic language? Did you know you already know how to read about 80% of it?
What did he say?
Relax. By the end of this series, you'll be at 100%.
Finally!
I get asked quite often to write out Coptic words in English, quote unquote in Coptish, a transliteration of sorts. But my response is always,
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
okay, so the Coptic language has 32 letters.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Technically, there are only 31 letters because we include su, the number 6, meaning 32 total characters but only 31 letters. See? So simple. Now, if you're watching this video, you probably know English, yeah? Perfect, because 18 of these letters actually look and or sound like English letters. Let's get started. Alpha looks and sounds like the letter A. Vita or beta looks and sounds like the letter B, unless the letter after is a vowel. Then it's pronounced as a V. Alright, let's give this a try. What does this say? Did you say ub?
Nice.
The letter A looks and sounds like the letter E. The letter P looks like the pi symbol in math, and it sounds like the letter P in English.
Pumpkin!
The letter Zeta looks and sounds like the letter Z. The letter Tav looks and sounds like the letter T. So if I told you to read this,
what's your favorite food?
Pizza.
Why haven't you joined the army to help defend our country?
pizza. Yummy. The next letter is Iota. It looks and sounds like the letter I. The letter Kabba looks and sounds like the letter K. The letter Ne looks and sounds like the letter N. The letter O looks and sounds like the letter O. The letter Delta sounds and kind of looks like the letter D, but instead of a curve, it's made of 3 straight lines. The letter Sima looks like the letter C, but makes an S sound, kind of like how the C in English sounds like an S in the word center or circle. Alright, how do you pronounce this word? Nicely done. Pivot. And just a friendly reminder, if there's a vowel after the vita, it makes a V sound. Now, how about this phrase?
We got spirit, yes we do. We got spirit, how about you? What? We got spirit, yes we do. We got spirit, how about you?
Dance to a beat. Nice work. The letter May sounds and kind of looks like a decorative or fancy M. The letter Omega looks like the letter W, but is pronounced like a long O. The letter Ki looks like the letter X, but sounds like the letter K in Coptic words. But if the word has Greek origin, it's pronounced as a sh or ch sound. Ro looks like a P, but is pronounced like the letter R. Think of it as an R without the extra tail. Okay, now tell me, what's the name of this famous Egyptian actor? Oh boy. Did you say it with a P sound? One more time. The rho in Coptic looks like a P, but it makes an R sound. Rami, not Pami. Alright, let's try reading another word. What does this one say?
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. Yeah, I like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. Yeah, I like to move it.
Move it. Well done. The letter eta looks like the letter H in English, but it's pronounced like a long E sound, like see or feel. The letter T looks like a lowercase t, but makes a long T sound, as in T-shirt. Now tell me, what does this say?
Kaboom!
Yes, Rico. Kaboom.
Kaboom! Well done. Now, let's sing one of my favorite songs together.
Do you wanna build a snowman?
No!
Do you wanna build a snowman?
No!
Do you wanna build a snowman?
Do you want to build a snowman? I'll say it once, I'll say it again. Can you follow along with our friend Mur?
I find that when you put beef in a taco, it's best to braise it.
Braised beef
Braised beef
is brilliant.
is braised beef is braised beef is brilliant.
Braised beef is brilliant. Did you notice you just read a letter I haven't shown you yet? And this is only part 1. In today's video, we covered about half of the Coptic alphabet. Tune in for part 2 and you'll be reading Coptic like a pro in no time. Bye for now.